Hi there, my name is Jason Perkins, and I'd like to welcome you to another episode in the Georgia Workers' Compensation video series. I'm an attorney that specializes in Georgia workers' compensation cases. I created this series of videos because I want to provide people who've been injured at work with helpful information about Georgia's workers' compensation laws and the benefits available to them under those laws. Today I want to talk to you about workers' compensation light duty, and specifically, what does workers' compensation light duty mean? If you've been injured at work and you've seen a doctor, your doctor might have told you, hey, you're on light duty work restrictions, or you can go back to light duty work, or your employer might have talked to you about whether they have light duty or not. So what does all that mean? Well, light duty can have technical definitions in some situations. So sometimes light duty means something different than sedentary duty or medium duty or heavy duty. In that situation, it generally means that you can occasionally lift up to 20 pounds and frequently lift up to 10 pounds when you're doing your job. But more often in the workers' compensation context, light duty doesn't mean that technical definition. What it means is you've got some sort of limitations as a result of your injury, or that your employer is offering you a position that's different than your regular job. So again, your authorized treating physician, that's your main workers' compensation doctor, is often deciding whether you should have work restrictions or not as a result of your injury. And if you have some work restrictions, then you're on light duty restrictions. When your authorized treating physician gives you restrictions, one of the questions is going to be is whether your employer has suitable work or not within those restrictions. And that's going to depend on how severe your injury is and what type of work that you do. In some situations, if you work a desk-type job, your light-duty work restrictions might not prevent you from doing a job. My job is not very physically demanding. I can sit or stand as I need to. I don't have to lift very much at all. So if I was on light-duty work restrictions, I'd probably be able to continue my regular job in most situations. But other jobs are more physically demanding. In those situations, a lot of times, work restrictions from your injury will prevent you from doing your regular job. And if your employer doesn't have any work for you to do that's suitable, then in most situations you should receive workers' compensation benefits for being out of work, what are known as temporary total disability benefits. So if you've got restrictions from your injury, your employer is not accommodating you, and you're not receiving those benefits, then you need to look into what's happening. I hope you found this information about what workers' compensation light duty means helpful. If you have, please let me know that. One of the best ways you can do that is by liking this video or giving it a thumbs up. If you'd like to view more videos from the Georgia Workers' Compensation video series, then please visit our Perkins Studdard Workers' Compensation channel on YouTube. You can view all the videos there, and you can subscribe if you want to be notified of future videos in this series as they come out. If you've got some specific questions about your workers' compensation case, then please make sure you get answers to them. One of the things that unfortunately happens too much is people don't get answers to their questions, and then it's too late. At some point in the future, they waited too long to get answers, they're not entitled to benefits anymore, and they miss out on benefits that they should receive. So please, if you've got questions, reach out and get answers. That's one of the reasons I provide free consultations in workers' compensation cases, is so people can get answers without having to worry about how much that's going to cost. If you'd like to set up a free consultation with me about your workers' compensation case, then either visit our website, which is www.perkinsstuddard.com, and complete and submit the free consultation request form there, or call our office at the phone number on the bottom of the screen, and we'll get a time set up for you to talk to me. I'd like to thank you again for watching today. I'd like to wish you the best of luck as you recover from your injury.